This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Agent GPT step by step. First, navigate to the Agent GPT platform using your web browser. Once there, you will need to clearly define your main objective for the AI agent. This initial step is crucial for guiding its actions. Next, select the most suitable AI model for your task from the available options. Finally, configure essential initial settings, such as giving your agent a descriptive name and setting its maximum number of iterations, perhaps to 20 or 30. After setting up your agent, the next step involves defining its tasks. It is highly effective to break down your main objective into several smaller, more manageable subtasks. Input each of these individual subtasks into the agent's dedicated interface. Once all subtasks are entered, you can initiate the agent's execution process, typically by clicking a Start button. Continuously monitor the agent's progress and observe its task completion status as it works through each item. Monitoring your agent's performance is key to achieving optimal results. Carefully review the agent's output and examine its intermediate steps to understand its reasoning. Based on these generated results, you can provide specific feedback or modify existing tasks to steer the agent in the right direction. Feel free to adjust various parameters or even add new subtasks to encourage better outcomes. This iterative process allows the agent to refine its approach, often over several cycles, leading to more precise solutions. Finally, it is time to thoroughly evaluate the agent's final output against your initial objective. Assess how well it met your defined goals and if any further adjustments are needed. Once satisfied, you can save or export the agent's generated content, ensuring your work is preserved. Consider deploying this agent for similar future tasks, leveraging its learned capabilities for efficiency. Additionally, explore the platform's advanced features, which can unlock even greater potential for more complex and intricate projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.